Before us is a problem that says a car costs 7 times as much as a good. For 84,000 naira, I can buy 18 more goods than cars. How much does a good cost? Now, solution. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, okay, solution. I was looking for my mouse. Now, to solve this, we were told that we have to know that the cost of the goods is the unknown, since we said how much does a good cost. So therefore, our unknown is the goods. So we have to represent it with something. So we say let a good cost. Let a good cost H naira. Now, thus a car costs 7H naira. Therefore, a car costs 7H naira. Now, if you look at the first sentence, we told that a car costs 7 times as much as a good. So if a good costs H naira, definitely a car will cost 7 times the cost of a good. So from here we'll proceed. Let's say for 84,000 naira, which is our second sentence, for 84,000 naira, I can buy 18 more goods than cars. So we say I can buy. So therefore means 8400 divided by H. That will give you the number of goods. Say I can buy 18 more goods. Now say 84007H cars. Now we proceed and say 8400 over H minus 8400 over 7H is equal to 18. This should be 0. Now let's take a look at the sentence. Say I can buy 18 more goods than car. That's why I have to put the subtraction here. Now let's assume, for example, you say 84. Let's come here over and say 84000 H of goods, and then you say you can buy 18 more goods than car. And remember, our car is 84000 over 7H. Now if you've been told that you can buy 18 more goods than cars, that means addition of more goods with 84,000 naira. You can buy addition of 18 more goods than cows. So the 18 should be with the goods, but this time around, since it's more of it, you have to subtract it. Since we're subtracting, if you take this 18 now to this side, it automatically means 18 more goods. 18 to the, it's 84,000 of H, which is for goods this time around. Okay, let's say it's 4,000 plus 18. See it, and then we have 8400 of 7H, but we're told that you can buy 18 more. So now when you subtract this is equal to, now when you take 18 to the other side now, and this one, that of car, comes to the left hand side, becomes minus. If it were not to be so, it would have been 84,000 over H plus 18 more goods, because it is more of car, it is more than. Say I can buy 18 more goods than cars, so it is greater than it. So this is why we have the negative sign there. Now from what we have here, we'll proceed from here. XCM here is H and 7H, which automatically is 7H. So we'll be multiplying all through with 7H. Now I multiply, you say 7H times 8400 over H minus 7H times 8400 over 7H is equal to 7H times 18. Now when you proceed from here, we're left with let's say H cancels H, and here this one goes here, we have 1. Any other thing? Don't think. So now you proceed, we have simplify, we have a 7 times 8400 minus 1 times 8400 is equal to 7H times 18. Now we can continue from here. Automatically, if this one is 7 of these, this one is 1, and when you subtract 1 of 8400 from this, this will remain 6. So you can simply say, I'll come over to this side again, and then solve it in a different way. So I can say one of these add from here will be left with 6 of it. So automatically it's okay. Let me just proceed anyway. Let me just proceed to say this will give you 7 times 8400. Now if I should multiply 7 to 8400, we have 5888000 minus 1 times this will give you 84000. So this was what I meant. Now 7 of this is here and 1 of this is here, so when you subtract 1 of it, automatically you left with 6 of it, 6 of 588800. So just trying to make it easier so that it doesn't get confusing. 7H times 18. Now when you subtract 84000 from this 588000, we have 54000, which is equal to 7H times 18. Now we divide by 18. Or say you can as well divide by 7 times 18 so as to have H standing on its own. Let's say it's the same thing as 504000 is equal to 7 times H times 18. Now I divide by 7 and 8, so you say 7 times 18, 7 times 18, and this one goes off. Now we're left with H is equals to 54000 over 7 times 18. And now when you divide this by 7 times 18, you'll be left with H is equal to 4000. Answer. Now since H, which is our good, is 4,000 naira, say a good costs 400 naira, therefore a car will cost what? Remember we have 7H then, so automatically it's 400 times 7, which is equal to 28000. Remember, a good is H naira, while a car costs 7H naira. 7H naira. So that is it. Like before then, I was trying to do this. What I was trying to do was okay, let's say 7 times 84, say 7 times 84000 minus 1 times 84000 is equal to 7 times 18 times H. Now minus one of these automatically means this will give you 7 minus 1 will give you 6 times 8400. Remember, 7 times 8400 is on its own, which means 7 of 84,000, and this one times this is 1 of it. So when you subtract 1 of it, automatically you have 6 remaining, which is this 6 times 8400 is equal to 7 times 18 times H. I hope you're not confused. I said 7 times 84000 means 84,000 is into 7 places, and this one times this is 6 is in one place. And now to shorten it, kind of like standard form, you say 7 minus 1 will give you 6, and then you bring this 8400, meaning one of these from 7 of these will give you 6 of 84,000. So it's the same thing. So now when you continue, at the end you have 6 times 8400 over 7 times 18 is equal to H, and now you have H is equal to 12,000 divided by 3, which will give you 400, and then you find that for car, you get your answer. So that is it.